Are you tired of the same old existence? Do you want more out of life than what life seems to be handing you? You can change, but you must first change your mindset. To begin, you must have a keen desire for change in your life. You must know what you want, even if you don't yet know how to get it. Be definitive in your desire. If you only had a short time to live, what would you really want to see, experience, and do? Manifest clearly in your mind what you want or need. Concentrate your energy and thoughts about your desire on the here and now, and not on the past or future. Embrace the present and let tomorrow take care of itself. Be patient and let go of any anxiety, disbelief, and doubt. Expect and believe that you have your desire already. Get charged up emotionally about your desire. Don't just visualize it, feel it. The more you're enthused, excited, and charged up about your desire, the faster you'll have it. Daily, affirm to yourself what you want. An affirmation is a solemn and formal declaration. Believe that you will get what you affirm you want. Clear your mind of any and all negative thoughts. Negativity leads to mediocrity. Stay focused in a positive way at all times on your desire. Believe in yourself. A belief is a thought, which is a kind of energy. Your beliefs have a great influence on you and others around you, and can work for or against you. Recognize and get rid of limiting beliefs that don't serve you. Retain those beliefs that bring contentment and quality to your life. Stay focused on your desire. The more you visualize, feel, believe, and affirm your desire, the more real it will become. The more you focus on what you want, the more your thoughts will help produce that desire at some point in the future. Clearly set your intentions. An intention is an anticipated outcome that guides your planned actions. A realized goal or desire is the result of your intentions.